Check out this Volkswagen 2092 DOOR HB Man. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, paired with a sporty manual transmission. Enjoy these notable features: turbocharged, traction control, brake-actuated limited slip differential, front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, tires, front performance and tires, rear performance. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.